Yes, I am, boys and girls, and it looks like we're still struggling, so Miss V can lead us off in our school song, our theme song.
Yes, let's go ahead, boys and girls. I know we know the song, so I want to hear you now. This is our chance. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We are pioneers and we can say, one makes effort and everything. We can strive to be the best every day. We can start today. Oh, I want to hear you louder. Jump and better every single day. I take every step to get me there. Can we hear you in the back? Con esfuerzo podemos triunfar, queremos ser los mejores cada día y hoy empezar. En español. Sonemos cada día más, con los pasos así logrando fuerte.
All right, guys, today is the last day of January. I think we forgot to say good morning to someone, guys. Everybody say,
Fly. I will pledge allegiance to thee. This is one state under God, one and indivisible.
Just
So Mr. Rivera just happens to be here for something else, so I wanted to actually call him up. Would you like to say just a few words, or?
Well, I just want to say what an honor it is to be here with you guys today. We were at a board meeting till about 11:15 night last night, and we were there making decisions that are for the future. But every decision that we make is for you guys, because we believe in you guys and everything that you're doing. So keep up the good work. And it's Friday, so let's have a little fun today, huh?
Thank you so much, Mr. Rivera, and give him a round of applause as he takes his seat. All right, next we have a very special announcement for a team that is already in competition. We have our Venice Robotics team, and we do have two sponsors, Miss Garcia and Miss Mantle. So if somebody want to come up and talk a little bit about it, the students, come on up, guys. If you're on our robotics team, come on up. Very important, guys. They had their first round of competition yesterday. It is a two-part competition. So who would like to tell us a little bit about it? So,
So yesterday we did a presentation to some judges, and it was very, we were all very nervous and excited, and we also took part in reading and writing the parts of the presentation. We haven't had technical difficulties, we still enjoy it, and besides that, we started very late this year. We still did it and each other best. And we're excited.
yes, I love what she said. They had technical difficulties, however, they pushed through. They showed grit. They showed a lot of grit, gave themselves grace. Remember when we had that thing, guys, growing with grit and grace? We're very proud of them. Thank you for representing Venice, and they have the second part on tomorrow on Saturday. So we want to wish them luck, give them good thoughts, guys, as we give them a round of applause and we take their seats. Good luck, guys. Okay, next we have first grade. Wave your hands in the air. Wave your hands in the air because you really do care about making a difference in the world. I want you to listen to what they did. All of you guys, every single one of you has contributed to their action project. And they want to thank you for the incredible generosity you've shown through your shoe donations. Because of you, these shoes will go to the McAllen Rainbow Room Closet, where children in our community can choose a pair that fits them and start the new year with confidence. This is what it looks like to live the IB profile. You show that you are caring by thinking of others, principled by taking action, and community-minded by helping where the need is real. Small actions, we talk about that all the time, guys. Small actions, when we do them together, can make a big difference. Thank you for stepping up and for stepping into the new year with kindness. We are better every day, mejor cada día. And now our first graders will read the results of the classroom with the most shoe donations and the winner of the pizza party. All right, we have.
We have collected 176 pairs of shoes.
Did y'all hear that? 176
of shoes donated was Mrs. Leah's first place with stray shoes donation of 50 pairs of shoes.
Miss Diaz class, right on your right, stand up, Miss Diaz class. They donated 50 pairs of shoes. Awesome, so they get their pizza party. Awesome. Let's give them a round of applause as they take their seat. Awesome, guys. I love it when y'all take action because our world is a better place because of it. All right, we have recognition. Where's Morley and Alani and Sarah? Come on up. All right, they won first place at the Boys and Girls Club tournament. We're so proud of them. They worked hard and their dedication paid off. You guys want to say anything more? Yes.
He tried his best.
I love it. They tried their best, and that's all we can ever ask, guys. Do your best, and you will be more. Let's give them a round of applause as they take their seats. And Lauren needs to come back because there's another side for Lauren. So she truly is a risk taker, balanced and reflective because she was in a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu competition and she competed in the Pee-wee white belt division. She showed heart as an IV risk taker and I love it. Look at her. She's showing a lot of grit until it's looking at her. All right. Well, we are proud of her. Thank you, Lauren. We can take her from the house. Let's give her a round of applause. Let's take her in balance swing. Where's Jesse? Jesse, come on, Jesse. He was our spelling bee campus winner. Little child, and he competed in the district spelling bee and got all the way through the fourth round. Guys, that's hard. You're competing against all the other students in the county who are representing the campuses. So, congratulations, Jesse. Thank you for representing us. Just wave your hand, Jesse. I see it back there, guys. All right. And next we have Mr. Boone. A few words about chess.
So this Saturday, our Shantae is going to our 13th tournament. It's at Sherman High School. It's always Saturday. It's a huge commitment. So if you are on the chess team, would you please stand up and be recognized today? We can give you all some love. There to play some tough competition and show grit and grace and getting better all the time. Congratulations, you guys.
And in case you haven't noticed, all those trophies in the front office, they're bringing home trophy after trophy after trophy after trophy. And you know what? I'm okay with that. So y'all keep it up. Give them a round of applause and wish them luck tomorrow.
FYI, 7:45 report time. Next, we have some great news. We have some new AR Century Club earners. Starting with Mila Nolan, second grade Miss Edith Gutierrez, has 102.7 points, ranked 295,436 words. She chose to be
Stretch your legs. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hump each arm up. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 2,
Awesome. Let's give Mr. Sam and Miss students a round of applause as they take their seats. I'm so proud of you guys. You know I love you, and let's end